and all the previous prophets that were sent before Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, they were only meant for their people and for that time. And the message that they gave, that they proclaimed, was only time-bound. But since Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is last and final messenger, he was not sent only for the Muslims or only for the Arabs, but he was sent for the whole of humanity. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Anbiya, chapter number 21, verse number 107, وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا رَحْمَةً لِلْعَالَمِينَ, that we have sent thee not, but as a mercy to all the worlds, as a mercy to all the creatures, as a mercy to the whole of humanity. A similar message is repeated in Surah Sabah, chapter number 34, verse number 28. وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا كَافَّةً لِلنَّاسِ بَشِيرًا وَنَذِيرًا وَلَكِنَّ أَكْثَرَ النَّاسِ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ, that we have sent thee not, but as a universal messenger, giving glad tidings and warning them, but most of them did not understand. Since Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, he was the last and final messenger. He was not sent only for the Muslims or only for the Arabs, but he was sent for the whole of humanity. And today in the international